If you are overweight, you are more likely to develop diabetes, you are more likely to develop hypertension, you are more likely to develop cardiac disease, you are more likely to develop MI, heart attack, stroke. In today's world, I've seen this problem in many people. They may or don't have any disease. The people who are watching this video, just think it on yourself. You may be at any age group. Sometimes you may be completely healthy. You are not under the care of any medical supervision. You don't have any health problems. But can you say that I'm healthy? What is a real health? Do you have the definition for a real health? Physical, mental, emotional. All three to be together to call someone as an healthy. Are you on the normal weight? Have you thought of it? The people who are watching this video, just think, am I having a normal weight? If you are overweight, you are more likely to develop diabetes, you are more likely to develop hypertension, you are more likely to develop cardiac disease, you are more likely to develop MI, heart attack, stroke. If you are not going to invest in your health at this point of time, you are going to lose all the wealth whatever you have, and on top of it, your peace, your happiness, everything will be lost. If you are not healthy, you cannot live happily in your future. If you are not healthy, you cannot have peace in your mind in the future. And if you are not healthy, whatever the wealth you are stored now is going to lose in the future. Have you ever noticed this? So health is the most important indicator. And on health, your normal weight is something very, very essential.